Hey everyone, this is More Strategy. Honestly, I'm super excited about what I'm about to show you right now. Do you know why I'm super excited? It's because I have solution for you. You all agree with me that trading becomes stressful when your chart is cluttered, your indicators don't align, and you are unsure what to rely on in the market. But with the right setup, everything suddenly becomes clearer. I want to let you know that myself and my team have been using a tool that shows us the clean direction of markets, remove chart noise for us. These two cut hesitation. These two reduce our emotional decisions, and these tools has make entries obvious to us. So in fact, it's my biggest discovery ever in my trading career and on my trading journey. So very simple, because simplicity is one of the key that make me love this. So what I've come to realize is that most traders out there, they lose because they overcomplicate things for themselves. They overcomplicate everything. So if you want the simple tool we are using to make trading calm and clear for us, come and subscribe to Akashx Scanner and pay a rapt attention to this video on how you make use of this scanner. All right, let me go to the app straight away. This AI scanner I'm about to show you can trade all pairs. So Akashx, as you all know, is a kind of academy with different departments, over 8 departments, even up to 10 departments right now as I'm talking to you. So but one department out of 10 is the scanner that we are talking about right now. And this scanner department, they have 7 different scanners in this scanner department, but I would love to make use of the vibrant velocity scanner for the purpose of this video and for the purpose of our team members that might be watching this video right away. So like I said earlier, this AI scanner can trade all pairs. Okay, let me show you. As you can see, you can trade stock. Look at this place. You can see stock, fund, futures, forex, CFD, crypto, indices, bond, economy options, and all that. But just that in my team, we focus on using this scanner for buying of gold only. Buying, not even sell. Buying of what? Buying of gold. So I want to search. I click on the, let's say, I click on the 3 line at the top here because I'm trying to teach the newbie. So click when you log in. Let me go back to the home page so that the newbie can I know how I got here. So once you launch your app, this is how it's going to pop up for you. Then you click on the 3 line at the top left here. So when you click on the 3 line at the top left here, then you want to click on the Radar X scanners. Then when you click on Radar X scanner, you want to choose vibrant velocity scanner. So this is my most favorite scanner right now. So before it was smart cash scanner, but now the velocity scanner, because it gives entry direction at the same time, gives take profit caution and the kind of when you don't supposed to trade, that kind of thing. Yeah. So this is a scanner. Then I want to choose gold, so I want to click on this place. Then I want to search XAU, that is gold. Then I want to now scroll which market you want to choose. Rwanda. You can see I click on Rwanda, I search Rwanda, and I click on Rwanda. Let me search again for you to see. You can see, okay, I think this is Rwanda here. You can see Rwanda. The one you see XAU gold Rwanda, that's one you're going to choose. All right. So after choosing this, it's going to take you straight away to the 1 hour time frame. But if you are not seeing all these time frames here, you are not seeing 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and all that, you can just scroll the time frames like this and click on this small pointer you're seeing here. Small pointer here. So click on that place so that you can add your time frames and add them to your favorites. Okay, you can click on those stars to add them to your favorites time frames. So by the time you add your time frame, you can just add, these are the most important time frame you need to add. Okay, you need to add 3-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, okay, and 1 hour time frame. Once again, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me even do that right away, and by removing other time frame from my charts. Okay, let me leave those time frames I just talked about. All right, I want to remove the 1 week also. Good. So I'm left with 3-minute time frame. Okay, 1 day is there too. Let me remove 1 day. Yeah, so I'm left with 3-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, and 1 hour. Okay, what of 30 minutes? 30 minutes supposed to be there. Yes. So 30 minutes is there now. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. So now 3 things that stand for buy signals in velocity scanner. 3 things that stand for buy signals or buy direction in velocity scanner are the 3 things that stand for take profits. Also, I will explain, and caution. Let me come again. I will explain the three things that stand for buy signals of buy directions in velocity scanner. At the same time, I will explain the three things that stand for take profit and caution, the kind of caution not to re-enter for buy in velocity scanner. So that three things stand for a caution or not to re-enter again. Okay, so let me say it stands for three things: take profits, caution, and not to re-enter again. All right. So then those are two things I want to explain. I will explain three things that stand for buy signals or buy caution. Buy that stand for buy direction. Okay, and also three things that stand for take profit, caution, and re-entering to determine your re-entrance. Okay. Then we have 2 time frames for entries and 2 time frames for take profits. You can see we have 4 time frames here, right? 2 for entries, 2 for take profits. So why it is 2 for entries? We have 2 type of traders that can use this scanner. As a swing trader, there's the people that want to open their trade and leave it for like 12 hours, 24 hours, and all. Why scalpers are people that want to just be taking little profit and accumulate it in a day and close for the day. So if you are the swing trader that you want to use this scanner, then your entry time frame is going to be 1 hour. Okay, your entry time frame is going to be 1 hour, and your take profits time frame for that trade you have entered in 1 hour is going to be 30 minutes. I'm going to explain more further. Your entry time frame is going to be 1 hour, and your take profit time frame is going to be what? It's going to be 30 minutes. And if you're a scalper, your entry time frame is going to be 5 minutes, while your take profit time frame is going to be 3 minutes. But you still need 1 hour also if you're a scalper. So that is 2 time frame for entries, 2 time frame for take profits. You have heard. So one for swing trader and the other one for the scalpers. No stop loss as long as you keep to small loss size, because with this scanner we normally use small loss size, because sometimes when the scanner drop the entry for us, market might do a kind of retest before it goes to our direction. So that's why we don't use stop loss, so that we not miss out on that trade. But whatever the direction this scanner says market is going, that's where it's going to go. So that is why we always have that confidence not to put our stop loss. Do you know that that when I check one of my accounts on Trade Locker, so I had over going to 2-month trades non-stop without stop loss, and I did not hit any stop loss, and I'm not liquidated because the scanner is accurate. You know, if you are doubting the scanner you are using, if it's not playing out as expected, you know, sometimes if you don't set stop loss, you regret it. But when you have a scanner that it always goes to the direction and you focus on only buy, then when the scanner commands you to do whatever thing it asks you to do, you are doing, then you don't need to set stop loss. But if you are the kind of person that you know that you cannot do without using high loss size, you cannot manage your risk well, then I will encourage you that you should be using loss size. Okay, just try and handle this scanner, handle it simple, make it simple, and continue to cash out in dollars. Now let me now explain in details again. Now I talked about 3 things that stand for that stand for buy signals. Those 3 things are the blue diamond, the blue triangle, and this white dot you are seeing here. The blue triangle is this, the white dot is this. Then let me continue to scroll if we're going to see the example of the blue diamond. The blue diamond. Okay, this is it. So you can see this is blue diamond. So anytime you see this blue diamond at the bottom of candle like this, or you see it 1 dot like this in 1 hour time frame, or you see blue triangle like this in H1, or we call it 1 hour time frame, or you call it H1 time frame. Anytime you see it, any of these, it might not be 3 together like this. Anytime you see any of these, okay, this blue diamond used to indicate support, strong support, while the white dots and the blue triangle is signals for entry. While the blue diamond is for what? For support. Then the white dots for signal is a signal. The blue triangle is also a signal. Okay, now anytime you see any of these, then it's time for buy. If you are a swing trader, you will enter your buy with any of once you see any of these in 1 hour time frame, in H1 time frame. Okay, and when you now enter with your small lot size in any of these time frames, if you are a swing trader, the moment you see a caution signal, okay, and what is caution signal and take profit signal? So the opposite of what you see for buy, which is red triangle, red diamond, dot on top of the candle happens to be the take profit signal for you, at the same time, and not time not to re-enter again. So when you are a swing trader, don't forget I'm explaining for the swing trader now. You are a swing trader and you have entered the trade when you see you saw the blue triangle, or you saw the blue diamond, or you saw the dots, and you enter for your buy. Then you come to 30 minutes to be checking if you're going to see the red diamond that's going to pop up. Because anytime markets want to pull back or change direction, most times the one of the indicators that will be popping up is this red diamond. It will first of all be flashing, shows that market is about to reverse. Then it will become permanent. So before it becomes permanent, then you can close your profits. And sometimes if the market want to break that resistance, it's not going to permanent. It will just pop up, and by the time market breaks that resistance, it will not come up again. But mind you, please, anytime you see it flashing, once you are in profits already from the 1 hour time frame you have entered with, then anytime you see this red pop up or the white dot pop up on top of the candle or the red triangle, just close your profit. Close your profits, not your loss, your profits, because you will have been in profit. So because I want this video to be more detailed, that's why I'm taking my time to do this recording again. All right, and I want it to be precise. All right, so as the blue diamond stand for support, red diamond stand for resistance. As the blue triangle stand for buy signal and the white dot below the candle stand for buy signal, the same way the red triangle and the white dot stand for sell signal. But in our team, we don't normally sell. We don't reckon with the sell signals. We only reckon with what? With the buy signals. That's why our entry indicators from this scanner is either blue diamond or blue cubic shape, or you call it blue cubic shape, or you call it blue diamond, or blue triangle, as you can see from my screen, or the dots below the candle like this. And the dots, once you see one dot like this, then you can enter as a swing trader. And whenever you see the red triangle or anything, the red on top and the dot on top, that is the take profit caution for you. And once you take that profit, you don't re-enter again until when you're going to see market reversing, and the 1 hour now give you another dot below the candle again, or blue diamond again, or blue triangle again, before you enter for another buy. So anytime we are still seeing the red diamond on top of the candle pattern, we are seeing the dots, the last dot on top of the candle pattern, we are seeing the red triangle, we are not entering again. We hold on to that profit you have made, so that we allow the market to do a pullback, to retest, to correction, whatever they want to do. Then the scanner will give us go ahead again when to enter, because by the time we want to enter, the parabolic dot that have been configured specially for this scanner will pop up, and the triangle blue may soon pop up too, and the blue diamond. The strongest ones among others here is the blue, is the dots, while the second one is blue triangle, and the third one is what? Is blue diamond, as the case may be. So that is that about that for the swing traders. Now, how about the scalpers? Which our majority of our traders, they are all scalpers. So as a scalpers, once you get to this scanner also, don't forget to make use of the 1 hour time frame to see what the 1 hour is saying. If the 1 hour is saying buy, you know what I mean when the 1 hour is saying buy? Simply means that when 1 hour is saying buy, automatically you're going to see blue triangle, you're going to see white dots below the candle patterns, you're going to see blue diamond below the candle pattern. When you see any of these in 1 hour, and you are seeing that is the last signals or last direction that the 1 hour is given, it does not pop up any white dot on top, it does not pop up any red diamond, it does not pop up any red triangle, then we are still in buy mode. Then what do we now need to do as a scalper? You don't enter straight away like that. You come to what? You come to 5-minute time frame. You come to 5-minute time frame. Once you come to 5-minute time frame and you are seeing the same thing you are seeing in 1 hour, how do I mean? You are seeing red triangle below the candle patterns, or you are seeing the blue diamond below the candle patterns, you are seeing white dots below the candle patterns in the 5-minute time frame, then you enter what? You enter for your buy. You enter for your buy. Like for instance, like what you are seeing right now here, let me use this as a case study. Though this is weekend market has closed, but let's say 1 hour is on buy mode. Let's check 1 hour right now. Let's check 1 hour. Let's be practical. Okay, right now you are all agree with me that 1 hour is not on buy mode, because we are seeing a red diamond on top of 1 hour telling us that we should be aware of the markets, that there's a resistance at that point in time. There's a resistance. And when you now come to 5 minutes here and you are seeing buy opportunity like this, you will not buy, because the 1 hour time frame is showing that there's a resistance at that point in time. But let's say this blue diamond this red diamond you are seeing on top of the candle here is not showing. This red diamond is not popping up, it's not showing. The only thing that is showing is these dots below the candle patterns and the blue triangle. And you now come to 5-minute time frame and you are seeing this kind of structure. You are seeing the white dot and you are seeing the blue diamond, which is the last part in the candle formation. Then you ride with your buy. And when you enter your buy, if you are free type of person, then you can now be watching your trade. Now, as you are now watching your trade, you now be studying 3 minutes. Anytime you are seeing white dots on top of the candle like this in 3 minutes, or you are seeing the red diamond, or you are seeing the red triangle, then you go and you close your trade. Or you might even see that same thing in your same 5-minute time frame that you have used to enter. If you are seeing the red diamond on top of 5 minutes, on top of the candle in the 5 minutes, or you are seeing red triangle, or you are seeing white dots on top of the 5 minutes you have used to enter for your buy before, so and it suddenly pop up, then you take your profit to get out of the market. And if the 1 hour is saying buy mode, let's say this white dot is not, this red diamond is not on top in the 1 hour time frame. All that is there is the blue triangle you are seeing below here and the white dot, which indicates buy direction. And you come to 5 minutes and you are seeing the red diamond on top, or you are seeing the dots on top, or you are seeing the red triangle on top of the 5 minutes. You can hold on because you are a scalper. Hold on for that little pullback that 5 minutes is talking about. Then wait for it to drop the dot for buy. Then you enter. You now start to ride your buy. You know that with this alone, our people used to scalp like even 20-30 times in a day. And that's why we've seen a lot of people making even 60% of their capital in one day, because they are not just trading anyhow. They are not just trading any signal. They are trading with the scanner, our AI scanner. Now, another thing is that our traders are not dependable of anybody. They are not depending on anybody. They trade at their own pace. You can open this scanner any time of the day that market is open, either the midnight, the morning, the evening, the night, and you take your profit once you understand how to use this scanner. So, like I said, once again, you are using 4 time frames. If you are a swing trader, so people that used to normally hold trade for, use small lot size and hold trade for like 12 hours, 24 hours whatsoever, you are entering anytime you are seeing dots. The moment you see the first dot like this in the 1 hour, you are entering, and you'll be in that trade until 30 minutes. It's going to pop up the red diamond or red triangle or red dots on top of it to take your profits. And if you are a scalper, you check the same 1 hour. Once you see that there's a buy direction, meaning that there's a white dot below, blue triangle or blue diamond below the candle, then you want to come to your 5 minutes here. When you come to your 5 minutes and the 5 minutes is not saying something different, you are entering. But if 5 minutes is saying something different, that there's a red diamond on top, you want to wait a bit for the little pullback before you now start to enter. When the 5 minutes drop, the white dot or blue triangle or blue diamond for buy. And at the same time, you know that you will never regret that buy because 1 hour is in buy mode. And once when you are in that buy, and you think you can monitor your trade, so you can be monitoring it until when you're going to see the caution on top of the candle from 3 minutes. Once you see the caution signal from the top of the candle, which is either red diamond, red triangle or dots, so you want to take your profits. Or if you see it in this also the same 5 minutes, you can take your profit. And at the same time, don't forget, in our team, if you know you will be busy, you cannot be monitoring your trade, then just set your 50 pips or 300 or 30 pips. We normally use ticks. If 50 pips, simply 50 pips is what? 50 pips is 500 ticks. 30 pips is 300 ticks. Okay, so for those of you that have a trading platform where it has ticks option, okay, so that's the summary of how the scanner works. It's so simple to make use. Once you get here, you check your 1 hour time frame. It's going to even automatically take you to 1 hour time frame. So if you are a scalper, once this 1 hour time frame is on buy mode, and what those things that makes you know whether it is on buy mode, when you see the white dots, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 in the below the candle patterns, you see the blue triangle below the candle pattern as I'm seeing it here, or you see the blue diamond below the candle patterns without seeing anything on top that you know, when you are saying which one is the last, you are seeing the red diamond, red triangle on top of this chart you have shown right now and the dot on top, right? But which one dropped last? The one that pop up last is the blue triangle and the white dots. So you are considering the last one, the one that dropped last. Okay, you are considering the one that dropped last. Okay, so once you see it in buy mode like this, what next you want to do? Oh, this is 5 minutes. Sorry. So you check it in 1 hour like that. If it's like that in 1 hour, so mean that the one that dropped last is what? Is a blue diamond. Blue triangle or blue diamond or white dots. Then you want to go to your 5 minutes to go and check for the same thing and keep trading. But if the 5 minutes saying different thing, you wait until when it's going to say the same thing with the 1 hour and you keep trading. Okay, So whether it's not necessarily the three comes at the same time, like I said. You might see only dots, you might see only blue triangle, you might see only blue diamond. You are entering your trade based on the instruction given to you by checking the 5 minutes to enter your trade. And if you're a swing trader, once you see it in 1 hour, you don't want to check another thing again. You just want to enter with that 1 hour. But you are using 30 minutes to pick your profits, to take your profits once you see any caution signal. And those caution signals are those dangers, those reds, and the white dots on top of the candle. Okay? That's, you can see how I keep emphasizing and repeating this, so that by the time you listen to this video like 2-3 times, you'll have gotten everything right. So conclusively, if you want the simple tool we are using to make trading calm and clear, then come and subscribe to this Akashx Scanner. Watch this video like 2-3 times. You should be able to get it right. Practice it on your demo account for like 3 days, then jump on your live account and you start winning, and you join the winning team. And we also have a video alerts channel that we integrated for our members only on Telegram. So once you have your Akashx subscription active, you'll be added to see this video alerts. And these video alerts, we are giving people wonderful VIP signals that you can that are making them to win. And at the same time, you'll be added to our inner circle, where we keep following up on you on how you are doing with the scanner. Thanks for listening once again. Bye.